Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is the constitutional design, that is in chapter 3. Now we are going to start the chapter with the story that is of South Africa. Now South Africa had a apartheid system. Now what is apartheid system? Apartheid system is the system where the blacks were being discriminated or oppressed by the whites. So let's go through some points of the system. Now non-whites were forbidden for living in the white areas. They could work only if they had a permit. Segregation policy was also imposed. They had separate trains, toilets, beaches, etc. Blacks and white had separate churches also. And blacks could not have formed association or protest against the terrible treatment, and those who protested against it were also killed or put to jail. The non-whites did not have voting rights also. So at that time they were so much discriminated on the basis of the color, that is means racism was there at that time. So they were not able to vote, and there was a terrible treatment done by the white people. Now this black people then thought to protest against the government, that what the terrible treatment is going on with them. So at that time there was a constitution made, and the African National Congress look into that matter. Now problems faced after the constitution was being made, they faced very much problems. Now what are the problems? The oppressor and oppressed were planning to live together in that country only. So the black and white did not trust each other, and the black thought that they will again rule again, and the white thought they will take the revenge of it. So this was that time they wanted to live together, but they are facing a clash of their conflicts. So the blacks wanted that the majority should rule the country, and there should be equality in the country. There should be no discrimination against each other. So a preamble was set up in South Africa. So after 2 years of discussion and debate, there came with the first constitution of the world, and this constitution gave the citizens the most extensive and finest rights available in a country. Everyone was a part of the making of the constitution. So white and the black both were the part of making constitution, and they had learned from the past issues. As there was a racial discrimination of the past issues, there was very much tension and conflict at that time on the basis of color, skin color. So they had learned from the past issues, and they resolved these issues by imposing a constitution which was the finest and helped them to live together peacefully. So this was the notion of the topic of South Africa. So I hope you have understood the story from this apartheid system of South Africa. In the next class I will go in details with the constitution. Okay, thank you students.